हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ दीपाली। मैं हूँ आपकी योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर। आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं 5 ऐसे योगा आसन जो आपको आपका योगा का फाउंडेशन बनाने में और स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाने में, जिससे कि आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी बढ़ेगी, वो आसन करने में हेल्प करेंगे। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं 5 बेसिक योगासन विच विल इम्प्रूव योर स्ट्रेंथ एज वेल एज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. So wear something comfy and hop onto your mat. So sit in a comfortable position. आप सुखासन, पद्मासन और अर्ध पद्मासन में भी बैठ सकते हैं. Keep your back straight. तो सबसे पहला आसन हम करेंगे कटी चक्रासन, जिसे हम सीटेड ट्विस्टिंग भी कहते हैं. तो राइट हैंड जो है आपका लेफ्ट नी पे रखना है और लेफ्ट हैंड आपके स्पाइन के लाइन में सीधा रखना है पीछे. एंड लुक बैक साइड. कीप योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट एंड ट्विस्ट. जितना हो सकता है उतना पूरा आपको खींचना है पीछे की तरफ. एंड रिलैक्स. कम टू सेंटर एंड रिपीट ऑन द अदर साइड. सो लेफ्ट हैंड राइट नी पे रहेगा, राइट हैंड पीछे स्पाइन के लाइन में स्ट्रेट. एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू गो बैक एज मच एज यू कैन. Again, repeat. Come to center. Right side. And one more time. And right side. Relax. Come to center. नेक्स्ट आसन हम करेंगे बद्ध कोणासन. तो इसके लिए आपके दोनों भी पैरों की जो तलवे हैं एक दूसरे को लगा लेने हैं. लाइक दिस. कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट. दोनों हाथों से पैरों को पकड़ना है. कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट. और जितना हो सके आपको आपके नीज को नीचे की तरफ धकेलना है. So be there for few breaths. You can close your eyes if you want, and you can go forward if you want, like this. But अभी हम सिर्फ फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग आसन नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी हम बद्ध कोणासन कर रहे हैं. तो keep your back straight, look front, and just be there for few more breaths. Focusing on your inner thighs, on your knees, on your lower back. And relax. नेक्स्ट आसन हम करेंगे कैट एंड कैमल पोज. Come into tabletop position. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Repeat this for 3 more times. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, hunch your back, look down. 4. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, look up and hold here. Arch your back, look up. Be there for 5 counts. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, hunch your back, look down, try to touch your chin to your chest, and again hold here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gently come into mountain pose. दोनों हाथों की हथेलियाँ एक ही लाइन में रखनी है. Wide, spread your fingers wide and come into Adho Svanasana, यानी कि mountain pose. Try to touch your heel to the ground. Keep your back straight. Again, we are going to hold this posture for 5 breaths. Feel that stretch on your back, on your legs, hamstring, calf muscles. Now take your right leg, put it in between your hands and just simply stand up like this. So ये जो पैरों का डिस्टेंस है वो हमारा डिस्टेंस रहेगा हमारे नेक्स्ट आसन के लिए जो कि है त्रिकोणासन. सो लिफ्ट योर बोथ हैंड्स अप एट शोल्डर लाइन. दोनों भी हाथों को शोल्डर लाइन तक लेना है. नाउ इनहेल करते हुए अब हम नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे लाइक दिस. राइट साइड बेंड करना है. ध्यान रहे कि आपकी जो हाथों की लाइन है वो एक ही रहे. If you are comfortable, look up and again hold this for 5 breaths. Gently come back up and relax. Now you can switch your leg from here like this. One toe inside and other outside. Next, inhale, lift your both hands up at shoulder line. As you exhale, go down. Try to maintain your body's alignment. If you are comfortable, look up. And again, hold the posture for 5 breaths. Keep focusing on your legs, hands. Gently come up and relax. Now again, switch your leg position. Inhale, lift your both hands up at shoulder line like the previous one and bend your knee into the 90 degree like this. Hold here. Your left leg should be straight. Don't bend your left knee. Look forward and again hold this posture for 5 breaths. Concentrate on your body, on your body's alignment. Don't go too forward or too backside. Just be at the center. Slowly come back up and relax. Repeat this with the other side. So just rotate your legs. Next side, inhale, lift your both hands up at shoulder line and bend your leg. Hold this position, Virbhadrasan 2 for 5 breaths. Concentrate on your legs, on your hands. Gently relax. Come back. Next asana is Janu Shirasana. Open your leg, open your left leg and close your right leg. So inhale, lift your both hands up. As you exhale, go forward and grab your leg. If you are not able to grab your leg, then it's okay. Just be wherever you are and be relaxed in the position. If you can hold your leg, try to go down as much as you can. Don't bend your knee. Just try to be in the position and be comfortable. Hold again for 5 breaths. In that holding, concentrate on your leg, on your lower back, the stretch in your hamstring, calf muscles. Continue breathing, don't hold your breath. Gently come back and relax. And just repeat this with the same leg. So I am going to open my right leg, fold my left leg like this. Again, lift your both hands up. As you exhale, go forward, grab your leg and beat it. Again, concentrate on your leg, on the stretching, hamstring, calf muscles. Don't hold your breath while holding the posture and come back up. Relax. For the next pose, we are going to come into plank position, Dandasana. Fold your leg like this in between your hands and just try to sit on the other leg. Pigeon pose. Keep your back straight. Balance your body. Keep your body at center. Look up if possible and hold. So 5 breaths. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale and come forward. Relax your both hands. Try to touch your forehead on the ground and you can relax here. Again, hold for 5 breaths. Gently come back up. Relax your leg and repeat this with the other side. Keep your back straight, your body aligned. Look up and hold for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exit. Come forward. Again, relax your hands. Bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. This is a relaxative pose, but you can feel it in your glutes and in your side of the thigh. Again, hold for 5 breaths. Gently come back up. For the last asana, we are going to lie down on our stomach. Relax your forehead on the mat. Relax your hands on the mat. Now keep your legs together, heel together, both hands besides your chest. Inhale, lift your upper body up, Bhujangasana, roll your shoulders backside and look up. Again, don't hold your breath, just keep breathing and hold the posture for 5 breaths. Exhale, come down, relax your hands. Now gently come up and sit into child pose. Take distance in between your knees if you want. Relax your hands. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Go forward and relax. Now gently come back up and sit in any comfortable position. So that's it for today's practice. I hope you like this session and I hope you practice these basic asanas to improve your yoga practice, and I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much for watching.